NotebookLM plus Google Gems is insane. NotebookLM plus Google Gems just changed the game. You can now turn 300 documents into a custom AI brain. This thing spots content gaps, builds startup ideas, and writes client pitches without you typing a single prompt twice. And listen, this NotebookLM and Gemini Gems integration is one of those updates that actually matters. Most people are using NotebookLM to make podcasts or summarize notes. That's cool. But they're missing the big play. The real power is turning your notebooks into permanent AI agents. Agents that remember everything, agents that update automatically, agents that work for your business all day, every day. Here's what's happening. Google just integrated NotebookLM with Gemini Gems. That means you can upload up to 300 sources into a notebook, then link that notebook to a gem. A gem is basically a custom AI assistant with a specific job, and now your gem has access to all 300 sources forever. No re-uploading, no copy-pasting. It just knows your stuff. This is massive for agencies, massive for founders, massive for anyone building a real business with AI, because now you can clone your brain, clone your strategy, clone your entire process. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, plus 5 untapped use cases that nobody's talking about yet. So stick around because this gets wild. All right, let's start with the basics. What is NotebookLM? It's Google's AI research tool. You upload documents, PDFs, Google Docs, websites, YouTube videos, whatever. It reads everything. Then you can ask questions, get summaries, create study guides, even generate podcasts. It's like having a research assistant that never sleeps. Now here's where it gets crazy. Gemini Gems are these custom AI agents inside Google's Gemini. You give them a name, a personality, a specific task like a content strategist or a sales coach or a client pitch writer, and they remember their role every time you talk to them. Before this integration, Gems were smart, but they had no memory of your specific business data. Now they do. When you link a NotebookLM notebook to a gem, that gem becomes an expert on your content. All of it. So if you upload 50 competitor websites, your gem knows every single one. If you upload your client briefs, it remembers all the details. If you dump in Reddit threads about your niche, it spots patterns you'd never see manually. This is what people are calling a living knowledge base, and it updates every time you add a new source. Let me show you how this works in practice. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like NotebookLM and Google Gems. The link is in the comments and description. First use case, building a custom agency brain. Here's the setup. You create a NotebookLM notebook. You upload competitor analysis, client feedback, your own content, industry reports, market research, everything related to your niche. Let's say you run an AI automation agency, like AI Profit Boardroom. You'd upload all your successful case studies, your best client proposals, your frameworks for onboarding new members, your community engagement strategies. Then you go into Gemini, create a new gem, give it a name. Something like Agency Growth Strategist. Link your NotebookLM notebook to it. Now set the persona. Tell it what to do. Something like this. You're an expert in AI automation communities. Your job is to analyze our content and spot growth opportunities, find gaps in our messaging, suggest viral content angles, draft proposals for new partnerships. Now, here's the magic. You can ask this gem anything, and it answers based on your 300 sources. You could say, analyze the AI Profit Boardroom's current content strategy and find 5 gaps our competitors are filling that we're not. Boom! It reads through everything, compares your stuff to competitors, gives you a detailed report with citations, all sourced from your uploaded documents. Or you could say, write a proposal for a new AI automation workshop based on the pain points our community members mention most. It scans your community feedback, finds the patterns, writes a complete proposal with examples pulled directly from your sources. This isn't generic AI output. This is grounded in your actual data. And here's the best part. When you add a new source to your notebook, the gem updates automatically. You don't rebuild anything. You don't retrain anything. You just upload a new document. And next time you ask a question, the gem includes that new information. It's a living brain that grows with your business. All right, back to the training. Now let me hit you with use case number 2, startup validation. This one's wild. Let's say you want to build a new product, but you don't know if people actually want it. Here's what you do. You go to Reddit, Quora, Facebook groups, anywhere your target audience hangs out. You find threads where people complain about their problems. You save those threads. You also grab competitor websites, product reviews, industry trends. You dump everything into a NotebookLM notebook. Then you create a gem. Call it VC Validator. Give it this persona. You are a venture capital analyst. Your job is to evaluate startup ideas for founder market fit and market gaps. You analyze pain points and suggest uncrowded angles for new products. Now you ask it questions like, based on these Reddit threads about AI tools, what pain points keep coming up that existing tools don't solve? The gem reads everything, finds the patterns, tells you exactly what people want that they're not getting. Or you could say, is there an uncrowded angle for an AI tool that helps small agencies specifically? It analyzes the competitive landscape from your sources, tells you where the gaps are, gives you a validated idea based on real market data, not guesses, not assumptions, real evidence from hundreds of sources. Then you can take it further. You could say, map out the core features for this product and write the copy for a landing page. The gem gives you a feature list, writes your headlines, writes your benefit statements, all grounded in the actual pain points people mentioned. Let me give you 2 more untapped use cases that nobody's doing yet. Number 1, niche gap hunter. You upload all your competitors' blogs, their YouTube videos, their podcasts, everything they've published. You create a gem called Content Gap Finder. You ask it, analyze these competitor sites and find 10 content topics they're not covering that our audience cares about. It builds you a visual map, shows you the gaps. Then you ask Gemini to brainstorm viral angles for those topics. Boom. You've got a content calendar full of ideas your competitors aren't touching. That's how you dominate SEO. Number 2, team trainer. You're hiring remote workers. You need them onboarded fast. You create a NotebookLM notebook with all your company docs, SOPs, training videos, past projects. Then you create a gem called Onboarding Assistant. New hires can ask it anything. How do we handle client revisions? What's our content approval process? Where are the templates? The gem answers instantly with citations from your actual documents. You can even generate audio podcasts from the notebook. Your new hires listen while they commute. They learn your process without bugging your team. Now, let's talk about some advanced power moves. First, hybrid prompts. By default, gems prioritize your notebook sources, but you can tell them to combine notebook data with live web search. Example, you say, from my notebook, pull our community's top 3 pain points about AI tools. Then search the web for the latest solutions to those pain points. Recommend which tools we should cover next. The gem grounds its answer in your data, but adds fresh context from the web. That's how you stay current without manually researching every day. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like NotebookLM and Google Gems. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description.